Hey Legends! Want to dominate the arena with buttery smooth gameplay? Today, I'm showing you how to boost your FPS in Apex Legends for that competitive edge. First, open Apex Legends and head to the main menu, but don't jump into a match just yet. Go to Settings and Video, then scroll down to Adaptive Resolution FPS Target and set this to 0 to disable it. This stops the game from lowering your resolution to hit a target FPS. If you want a simple way to hit a target FPS, you can set it to your target number, but you will notice variations in your graphics in the middle of a game. For this example, let's go through the settings that will impact your FPS the most while keeping adaptive resolution at 0. Anti-aliasing determines how smooth edges are. Turning this off can increase GPU load. The same can be said for texture filtering. If you feel like your game is not running smoothly, reducing this to a lower number can help. Others that can help are the settings that deal with shadows and lighting. Among these would be ambient occlusion quality, sun shadow coverage, sun shadow detail, spot shadow detail, volumetric lighting, and dynamic spot shadows. You may notice a boost in FPS if you turn these settings off. You can also choose to reduce certain details to lessen CPU and GPU load. And that's it. Enjoy smoother gameplay, quicker reactions, and a better shot at that number one predator spot. See you in the arena, Legends!